Hey guys, it's Fonzie, and today we're going to be spraying something together for the very first time. Now, we've shown you guys color shifting pearls and HyperShift pearls, and they are awesome. But today I've got my hands on this. This is SuperShift FLAKES from my buddy over at DidSpade. DidSpade is another DYC approved pearl vendor. He's got some really cool stuff over there. These SuperShift FLAKES look ridiculous. They are huge. They're like fish food. Here's what I know about these flakes. One, they're white-based, so they get their color after they go on a dark or contrasting base. Two, they're massive. These are not gonna look like pearls. I don't even know if they're gonna look like traditional flakes. And three, they are supposed to shift like crazy. So today I've got my old C5 RS6 here. It's already got a black base down on it. We are spraying the Spiked Punch SuperShift Flake on the car. Enjoy the video. Now, I've been opening these jars and checking this stuff out. I'm gonna cut to some B-roll here so you guys can get a really close look at it. But this stuff is insane. We've never used a material that looks like this before. It looks like, I don't know, radioactive fish food. The particles are massive, and this stuff is super fluffy. This jar is only 5 grams worth. Now, I asked Chris at DidSpade how many grams per gallon we should use, and he said start with 10 grams a gallon of the SuperShift flake for a medium flake style effect. Now, you definitely don't want to use too much because with a flake product, you still want the base coat to show through and play a role in the end result. But that means 4 of these jars in 2 gallons of glossy dip pearl top coat. It may be too much. Either way, we're gonna run with it. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. And all I will say is that this car doesn't look like anything we've ever done before. The SuperShift Flakes definitely give you a very unique look. If you want to do your own car in SuperShift Flakes, I left a link below to DidSpade's site where you can find them. There's a bunch of colors to choose from. They are wild. We're going to go outside in just a second so you can check it out. If you want to dip your own car, a ton of colors and kits to choose from, click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our car kits. I want to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Would you rock a style like this on your own personal vehicle? I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. Again, we're going to go outside and check it out now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video. They are white based, so they get the color once they go over a dark or contrasting base, and they're supposed to shift like crazy. So today we are going to drop it. What the fuck car are we spraying? Jars. So 10 grams a gallon is going to be a ton of this flake, but because it's so big, I can understand it taking more in order to get full coverage. So we're going to start at 5 grams a gallon right into Dip Pearl, what is it called? Now, as far as how much of this only 5 grams of this SuperShift, it doesn't look like anything we've ever done before. This